Another episode of Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we woke up at the crack of dawn this morning so we could sail around our community looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Let's get 3 files.
That's right, y'all. Today is trash pickup and landscape debris pickup day in our community. So we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But Teddy and I got to get going because somebody else is out to get our free plants. Who is it?
British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of the plants if we don't get to them first. So we're going to get going down the road here. It's like the middle of summer, so we have plenty of light. This is a lot easier to do than in the winter when it doesn't get light outside till like 8 or something like that. So anyways, we're going to sail on down the road here and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we got our first find of the day. What is it, kiddo?
Golden Hawaiian pothos.
Yeah, we got this pothos find right here. Let's see it. Oh, it's a big one. These leaves are super cool though. Super tropical plant. Easy to root, not from cuttings, but we can just bury this right in the ground and root it. So we will save that from the trash for sure. All right, looks like we had some Schefflera here. It looks like the solid green kind. Let me see, show it to me. Yes, it is, but this one is super easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save that one from the trash too. All right, so we're flying along here, but it appears that a lot of people are out of town right now. There's not a lot of stuff out on the roads, but we're gonna keep going. We got 2 things so far, and we have a lot more neighborhoods to search through. So we will persevere. We're gonna fill those buckets up back there.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so right as I was saying we weren't finding anything, Teddy noticed that papaya sticking out of the trash can. So let's see, does it have roots? Does it have roots? No, it's just a stick. So we're gonna leave that. Alright, y'all, here's our competition right there. Coming along to crush up all our plants. Alright, we just rolled up on a prize, didn't we?
Yeah.
This killer grill.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm just joking, but what do we have here?
We got some vermilions.
Yeah, we do, and it looks like, what's that right there too? Pick that up, the one with the...
Back there?
Yeah, grab that real quick, with the green leaves.
That's bird paradise.
Oh, okay.
And this is the lowland.
No, it's all right, grab the vermilions.
Okay.
Grab them up, show them to everybody. Oh yeah. Oh, they look like they have a little bit of like sooty mold on them or something, but that's all right. We can break these little pups off. So we will save those, and maybe a couple of these from the trash pile. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna get it on camera. There it is. Right there by the tree is an armadillo. And you gotta be careful. You don't want your kids playing with those because they carry Hansen's disease. They can spread Hansen's disease, which is leprosy. So we're gonna leave him alone. All right, we just rolled up on some nice piles here. This homeowner always sets stuff out nicely for people. He's got several cuttings of Plumeria here and some Dracaena. Just take one of those cuttings. Yeah, so we'll save this cutting of Plumeria. And those are some nice looking Dracaena cuttings there. You want to grab like 2 of those, kiddo?
Yeah, sure.
Show them to everybody. Oh man, those are nice fresh cuttings. Look at that. Nice. All right, we'll save this from the trash. All right, we just rolled up on some furniture for Teddy's new apartment.
Yeah,
hey,
I'll get myself some 2 tire seats.
Nice. You got a dining room table and a couch. That is all a 12-year-old needs, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Teddy and I just came across a squirrel party here. They are partying. There must be something really good in these people's yard right here. That one's still going for it. All right, we just rolled up on some beautiful lobster claw flowers here. Some heliconia.
I thought we were grabbing the coffee.
Not the coffee. Come on, pull it out. Show everybody those flowers.
That one's
give me a good one. Come on, give me a good one. There we go. Look at that. Holy cow. And I don't think we've successfully rooted this one from cuttings yet, but we're going to take a couple of these cuttings just so my wife can have some pretty potted flowers because these are just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, so while Teddy was grabbing the lobster claw, the heliconia there, we spotted some Dracaena. Bring that over here. That's enough. Let's show everybody this Dracaena. This is kind of like the bicolor variety. Oh man, those are beautiful cuttings. And these will root easy from cuttings too, so we'll save those from the trash.
Yeah.
All right, we just rolled up on some very sad cuttings of this gold Capella Schefflera. Let me see, let me show everybody the leaves. It's the variegated variety. They actually don't look too bad, and this is an easy one to root from cuttings, so we'll save a couple of them from the trash.
There's some back there also.
All right, I don't know how Teddy spotted this. What you got, bud?
Oh, I got a yucca also.
You got a yucca? Oh yeah, look at that. There's a nice little yucca right there.
But
what did we
really
stop
pulled
for?
over for was
What do we stop
this
for?
aloe.
Yes. Oh, it's a nice little one.
Yeah.
It even has a little bit of roots there. Nice.
And I see a bigger
Oh yeah,
one.
you can grab that one too. We'll take 2 of them for sure. We use aloe all the time. Nice. All right, we will save those from the trash. All right, while Teddy was grabbing those last plants, he also spotted a dragon fruit cutting. Don't make a big mess, kiddo.
Yeah.
Just see if you can get it without making a mess. Just yank it.
Luckily, I'm wearing gloves.
Yeah. Will it come out? Can he save the dragon fruit vine without making a mess in this homeowner's front yard? Let's see. Can he do it? All right, that's fine. Let's see if we'll get one of these.
Actually, it goes back here really big, and I'm such an idiot. I could have just snapped this off the whole time. It's not dragon fruit. It's this.
That's dragon fruit.
It is?
Yep.
Well, I was such an idiot. I didn't notice
Yep.
this.
That's a big, thick dragon fruit vine right there. All right, show it to everybody.
Yep. Here's what you've all been waiting for.
All right. Bring it over here. Let me see. Oh, we got an aloe too. All right. So we got this dragon fruit vine and another aloe. Excellent. We will save those from the trash.
Yep.
Okay, so I thought that was dragon fruit, but I think it might be cuttings from the cactus right here on the corner. Like an apple cactus or something.
Yeah.
But we will still save it. All right, Teddy just spotted some artwork here. Let's see if there's anything that he wants to hang in his room. Looks like we have a covered bridge. Looks like all mountain artwork to me.
Yeah.
You want any of it?
I don't know. We could bring some to Georgia if you guys want some.
I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna leave it. That one doesn't look bad. It's just not really my style.
Yeah.
We'll leave it. All right, so we're gonna do a little surf check here. There's always some anticipation as we walk down the walk over here. Will we have waves? Will we have waves? Oh, it's glass out there. Is that gonna break? Teeny little wave, is that gonna break? Oh, there might be some fun surf today. Look at this.
A little later, maybe?
Yeah, look at this. There's the sea turtle people down there. All right, sweet. I think we're gonna have to grab our surfboards, eh, kiddo?
Yeah.
So I was just saying, the sea turtle people are down the beach there. You can see, there's a nest right here. You can see the tracks right here from the mama sea turtle. And you can see that all up and down the beach here, there's nests in the dunes. We get lots and lots of sea turtles on this beach. This was probably a nest right here, and there's a nest right here, a nest there. And again, you can see their tracks right here, going back out to the ocean. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
I was a little worried in the beginning that we might not get a lot of stuff because it seems like everybody is gone right now. It's the middle of summer. All the snowbirds have flocked.
Flown the coop.
We've flown up. They're all up north right now, but we got some good stuff. Let's go ahead. What do you want to start with?
I'm gonna start with the lobster claw.
Yeah, I'm stoked about this. So I'm not sure. Have we rooted this one from cuttings yet? I don't think we have.
No, if we've tried.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we've tried either. We do have this planted in our backyard, but man, look at those flowers. It doesn't get hardly any more tropical than that. That maybe like birds of paradise.
Yeah.
I mean, in Plumeria.
Yeah.
So And we actually got some Plumeria today. But I'm stoked about this. We might try and root it from cuttings. I'll read into it, see if we can. But I really grabbed it so my wife could just have the flowers because they're super pretty and super tropical. Oh my gosh. The plant itself is tropical too. It has these big...
bird of paradise.
Yeah, it looks like, yep, bird of paradise.
Like the white bird of paradise.
Yep. Leaves, and so this leaf is pretty ugly, but when the plant is in the ground, they're very tropical looking. All right, what else you got, kiddo?
Let's start with the Dracaena marginata, I think.
Yes, yep. It's the bicolor Dracaena. Let's show everybody these leaves. They are so pretty. And we've planted a lot of that one from cuttings. Let's see, do I have any around here that we've planted from cuttings? Here's some Dracaenas right here we planted from cuttings, but it's not that variety.
I see it right here.
Where, you got some?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yep. Yep, right here. So that was planted from cuttings. All of this stuff, all of the ornamentals on our property, Teddy and I have found in the trash. So all of this stuff was planted from cuttings. Yeah. You see, we use coconuts as our garden borders here, and some of them sprout occasionally. I'm gonna have to move this coconut.
We found those in the trash too.
We did.
Okay, back to the farm.
All right, so I think we got another kind of Dracaena, right?
Yeah.
Yep, there it is. Let's pull that out and show everybody the two of them side by side.
This is sometimes known as the dragon tree.
Yep. And this is a pretty one too. And I know that I have that one rooted. I mean, I planted one of those right here. Yes, right here. Here we go. So that is an easy one to root from cuttings. That's why we grabbed it.
Now, speaking of Plumeria.
Yeah, there we go.
Some guy actually left this out for us.
Yes.
No, we don't know for us.
Well, yeah. So I've talked to that homeowner before. He's a real nice guy. He's about my age. And every time he prunes anything in his yard, he sets real nice piles up on the road for neighbors to take. So it was real nice of him. I think we got the Plumeria and this Dracaena from his pile. All right, what you got next?
The cactus.
The cactus.
In the pot.
Now, see, that looks like dragon fruit to me. Yeah. That looks different than the cactus that was in their front yard. I think that's dragon fruit.
Okay, sweet.
I think it is. I think it's dragon fruit. Maybe it's not. It's hard to tell at that size, but...
I know it was getting bigger and longer.
All right. Okay, maybe it's a cactus.
Kind of looked like a vine. I don't know.
All right, what else we got?
Aloe.
Aloe. You got a bunch of aloe, right?
Yep.
Got a couple of them. Of course, we love aloe. We get sunburnt. Having 3 kids and surfing all the time, we get sunburnt. So try not to, but it happens. Yeah. So we use aloe. We have it planted everywhere.
I find most people think they can't get sunburnt while swimming underwater in the pool, but it's almost the opposite.
Not true. Not true.
Okay.
Okay, we have this kind of burnt out pothos vine here. Teddy and I at first thought it might be a new or a different kind of pothos because these leaves, we thought they were purple at first, but turned out to just be kind of burnt. And it looks like it might have been sitting in a pile for a long time. But this is a super tropical plant. You can see here a lot of people, my mother-in-law actually has one in a pot up in North Georgia. If you keep them in a pot, their leaves will stay about this size right here. But if you let them go in the wild down here in Florida, you can see this one's starting to go, the leaves get giant. So this is the same plant right here, but it'll eventually get big, huge leaves like this vine.
We once had a property that had big, huge leaves. It was crazy.
Yes. It had taken over those cabbage palms, remember? All right, what else we got? The
Gold Capella Schefflera.
Gold Capella Schefflera, yes. These are probably the sorriest cuttings we got today, but they will root. Okay. They will root.
Now we have the bromeliads.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the bromeliads. Nice.
I kind of did too.
Nice. I love it when we find bromeliads. I love bromeliads. We have them planted.
These came with nice pups.
Yes, they did. We have bromeliads. We plant bromeliads everywhere though. We just pop them in like everywhere. You can see down here. There's several different varieties of bromeliads in here. In fact, I thought I saw one that had a real nice flower on it.
Yes, there.
Yeah, look at that.
Right next to the sugar apple.
Yeah, look at the flower on that bromeliad. And yes, Teddy just mentioned the sugar apple right here. You can see it has little buds on it, but we found we have to hand pollinate them to get them to fruit. So. All right, what else you got? What else you got, kiddo?
We got the non-variegated, just green schefflera right here.
Oh, that's right. We got two kinds of schefflera.
We just got one cutting of this because it's really all that is good.
All right.
This stuff's so easy to root. It's one of the easiest.
Yeah, it is very easy to root.
Okay, we've got some yucca.
Oh yeah, that little yucca. It's either, was it a yucca or is it a, do you think it was a yucca or some kind of agave?
It was on a giant
Oh, it was probably a yucca then.
It's the biggest plant we got today though. The largest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
What do you mean it's the largest plant we got today? You just joking?
Yes.
Oh, like what is he talking about? All right, more bromeliads. Again, you can see these have some like sooty mold or mildew on them, but the little pups will be good. And actually this sooty mildew, where is it? Where's a good example of it? Like right here. You can just wash it off with water usually. Oh, that's not even mildew. They're just browned from sitting in the pile. Yeah. All right, is that it?
Yep.
That's everything? All right, then let's see. What do you think the find of the day is?
Lobster claw or maybe the dragon fruit.
Lobster claw or, yeah, if that is dragon fruit.
If not, then I'd say
like dragon fruit to me, but yeah. If not, then what? The bromeliads is your second one? Your second choice? All right, I would say that, yeah, the lobster claw and same thing, either the dragon fruit or the bromeliads. Yeah. I just love finding bromeliads. We can just pop them in everywhere. They're so easy. Yeah. I mean, and even if we can take these bromeliads and just throw them over there on the side of the yard and they'll stay alive just laying on the ground for months. I mean, they are killer plants. I love them. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure here today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants that we found, just post down below. If you did enjoy our adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
Your house is going to get burnt down.
Oh, no, your house is going to burn down. That's no good. Nobody wants that to happen. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Well, next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.